Hey guys, I have the Advent Calendar Building Blocks for Kids, the 2024 edition. This set is perfect for the holiday season and is packed with Christmas themed surprises for 24 days. Let's look and see how they're packed. Each one is individually packed with the number on top of the box. And here is day one with the little blocks. I'm going to go through each little day for you. I'm not going to keep talking, but I'm going to go through each day. As you can see, each day has its own instruction sheet, plus the blocks that are needed to complete it. I'm going to speed this up so that this video isn't 5 minutes long. But here's day 6, day 7, reindeer, day 8, day 9. What I like about this advent calendar is the boxes are generic, so after the stuff is open this year, I can actually make my own advent calendar next year with the boxes. I could use the boxes and create something by myself to give. Looks like another reindeer. Part of the Christmas tree, day 15, day 16, day 17. This looks like a really fun project to do. There are several ways you can build this. You can do Christmas dessert house and an elk pulling a cart, or you can create 12 individual models. There's 21, 22. This is a great set, and it's a great way to spend December leading up to Christmas. So another advent calendar I like.